In this video clip, we're going to talk about the dual height TCR PED kit. It's pretty similar to the standard UB PED kit, but there are a couple of different looking pieces, and that's what we're going to talk about. So the end panels on the units have pre-drilled holes for all the brackets we're going to put in. Predominantly L brackets in black, a couple of lock flange holders, and the toe rail kit here at the bottom. So once we've set our units, our returns in place, leveled them nicely, they're 18 inches apart still. First thing to do will be to put the toe rail in. Once the toe rail is mounted, we can put the other L brackets in that'll be there for our top. And our top has cams that put the facade onto the top. Top will go in place. Get yourself a nice line on the ends. And in the front, screws down to an L bracket. Facade as well. Note again, L brackets need to be mounted to it. We'll mount up and in. And then our TCR PED door with the clips at the bottom, which you have to put on in the lock housings, which you would again attach. The hooks slide onto the toe rail bracket. And it simply locks into place. And this is how your kit will look. Just like so.